So I've just checked in at the new Beks Premium Resort Hotel and Spa. Okay, so let me do a quick room tour. We are in the deluxe room with side sea view. So it comes with a double bed and a single bed. Really loads of space here. A little sofa and a chair. It's super late right now, but you can just see the sea right through there. Got a coffee station here, and in here we have the hotel minibar, all included as part of the all-inclusive. Look at this bathroom. How nice is this bathroom? The size of that mirror. Marble tiles, and then right round here we have this gorgeous, massive rainfall shower. So we have just come to the Turkish restaurant. So this is one of the a la carte restaurants. So you get one a la carte restaurant per 7-night stay. Really nicely decorated in here. So to start off with, we've got some mezes. And look at that view. Right down there you can see the swimming pool and the sunset right over there. And for our mains, we've got a lamb shish kebab and a dana kebab, and then a salad to share. We're off to the Italian restaurant tonight. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, they're waiting for us. Look how nice this restaurant is. Our appetizers are here. We've got some salmon, we've got some lovely olive oil and olives, some cheeses and some bruschetta. The second course of our Italian is here. I've got a seafood pizza, we've got a Caesar salad, another salad and a ribeye steak. I've got tiramisu for my dessert. Okay, so this is the breakfast buffet this morning. So we've got bread here and a toaster. We've got a cabinet full of Turkish pastries. These are really delicious. We've got jams over here and fresh honey. Over here we've got toasties and waffles. Coming around here, we got eggs with sausage, eggs with spinach, baked beans, traditional Turkish pastry with cheese, corn, eggs, scrambled eggs, sausages, potatoes. Oh, and I love this, Turkish eggs. We've got pancakes and Nutella. We've got some more sausages over here and some fried dough. This seems to be really popular. Onion rings and chips. And then coming over here we've got a selection of cereal, nuts and some biscuits, and then today's seasonal fruit. And that is the breakfast buffet here at Beks. Okay, let's go check out the lunch buffet here at the hotel. So right outside the Sapphire restaurant, you're gonna find the TV advertising tonight's show. Tonight's show is a circus show. All the entertainment here is so good. There's some extra seats in here, and you'll notice that they've got little chairs for the little ones as well, which is a nice cute little touch. So let's go and see what's on offer today at the lunch menu. So the lunch is served from 12:30 till 2 p.m. So they always have lovely fresh salad here, really nicely prepared. Oh, this one's one of my favourite. And this one as well with the feta cheese. So delicious. And then we've got a selection of starters here. Look how good those starters look. Some traditional Turkish starters as well. Cheeses. Coming up over here, we've got some grilled fish. Oh, look at that. The guy grilling today's meat and chicken. They always have some sort of meat in here. Look how good the vegetables look. In this section here, they always have a plain section, which is really good for the kids. So there's always rice, there's always vegetables, and there's always some sort of meat in here, which is just boiled, just plain food with no salt or anything on. Coming over to the main foods, let's see what we've got today for lunch. Got some chicken in there. We've got some vegetables. Oh, they've got Izmir meatballs. I had these the other day, they were super good. Let's have a look at tonight's dinner buffet and see what's on offer. Oh, the cheese looks really good. That cheese is really yummy. It's always beautifully decorated and presented. We've got dips and salad on this side. Over here we've got the Turkish pizza. This is my absolute favourite. It's delicious. Let's see what's on the main selection. So they always have a fish and a meat over here. Look at that fish. Grilled chicken tonight. You can see they're making it over there. We've got potatoes. We've got some more fish in here. Celery. Rice. Let's see what's around the other side. Oh, roast turkey. Vegetables. Meatloaf. Cauliflower. It looks like mac and cheese in there. The desserts, how cool do these look? Look, the evil eye, as if they've done that. How cool is that? Strawberries, apples, look at that. Then we come over here. Got a little teddy bear, how cute. Look, it says Beks. How adorable are the desserts. Hope you enjoyed this hotel tour of the brand new Beks Premium Resort and Spa here in Turkey. If you do have any questions, please comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye.